Today we're going to take a look at the Tozo PA1. So the speaker is pretty cool maybe for some. And the funny thing is they actually want to send me earbuds, but yeah, the earbuds, that story kinda disappeared now. So they sent out me the speaker. And I'm actually a little bit more happy with the speaker because Bluetooth speakers I can test a bit more with also like audio samples, and earbuds not necessarily. So yeah, let's take a look inside. So it's a pretty steady box, I have to say. You have some manuals, pretty important for some people. Let me check. Here is the speaker. So pretty cool speaker. Really, it looks fine. You also have like a strap and of course a charging cable. The strap I will put on the speaker while I'll talk about the speaker. And yeah, so Tozo is not a very big brand actually, but they did release pretty decent things in the past, and I'm really happy they contacted me like, do you want to try some things out of me? And I was like, yeah, let's do it. So this speaker has like one driver, and it's not like placed in the center, and I'm really normally not such a big fan of it, but yeah, some people say it's a fine performing speaker, and of course that's also important. Like, you can have stereo or like good drivers, but if the audio isn't there, it will not be working. So there's a bit of a thing. Let me check if I get it through it. No, I will try it other time. You also have like a film on top for the buttons. So the speaker has like two EQs built in, the treble and a bass EQ. A little bit like the GEEKBUYING speakers do sometimes, so pretty cool. And you have different possibilities to use the speaker. You can use it like this. It has like feet underneath, but it also has like feet on the rear. So it's pretty cool. So you can even like place like this, and it's pretty solid. So really cool speaker. I'll turn it on now, and then we go to do some audio sampling. Let's get started.
24/7 denk ich immer noch an dich. Heute bist du nicht mehr da, jetzt ist das Rampenlicht. Tausende von Narben hab ich nun in meinem Gesicht. Farbe in der Haut, ja diesen Schmerz, den hab nur ich. I think we are different. Our love was so magnificent. I tried so hard to know as far I could ever go. I think I broke myself. I think I went through hell. 'Cause I tried our love, but your love was way above. Du bist nicht mehr da und ich will, dass du weißt, ja die Liebe am Arsch und die Herzen sind kalt. Ja, ich bin heute allein und doch sag ich dir eins, gib das hier jetzt auf, denn wir sind nicht mehr zwei. Hab mich grad verliebt und doch war ich dir fern. Gib's mir einen Hieb und ich sehe einen Stern. Es brennt noch das Licht, doch es ist weit entfernt. Die Liebe vergeht, doch ich fühle den Schmerz. Ich will
sueño el motor, son las metas a alcanzar. Siempre hay que descubrir la manera de vivir. Este lugar, esta tierra, tiene tanto que ofrecer. Tiene tanto que ofrecer.
I'm in the whip with authority, looking like Skybri, she got a body, ayy. And she been calling me daddy lately, want me to put her in Cartiers, and the bitch deserve it. Put in work for the money, she earn it. Give me top every night, lip service. Then I gotta block these hoes, she worth it. I'm out in Abu Dhabi, with a bad bitch, look like Skybri, ooh. Right beside me, in the phantom off that Molly, yeah, yeah. Abu Dhabi, with a bad bitch, look like Skybri, ooh. Right beside me, in the phantom off that Molly, yeah, yeah. Abu Dhabi, with a bad bitch, look like Skybri, ooh. Right beside me, in the phantom off that Molly, yeah, yeah. Abu Dhabi, with a bad bitch, look like Skybri, ooh. Right beside me, in the phantom off that Molly, yeah, yeah. Shorty a dancer, with her OnlyFans, got her bands up. She independent, got a lamb truck, don't need no man, but I'll man up for that, ooh. Put it on camera, she a freak, nothing I can't handle. When I'm pulling up in that phantom, I got a pussy wetter than Niagara. Bitch, I'm a dog, I'm with the leash. Ain't no one holding me back, I'm a beast. Showing them all, following my teeth. None of them fucking with me in these streets, ooh. Skybri hit me in my DMs. I've been trying to meet up and see ya.
So after some audio testing, I noticed a few things with the speaker. So the treble EQ is my favorite. The bass EQ, it definitely adds a bit more in the lower levels, but yeah, you do lose a lot of the treble. So the treble EQ for me is personally the better one. And if I place the speaker like between those two, I can definitely hear it's more going to the sound dynamic in the bass performance. But the treble performance, so like pretty clear performance, maybe a bit too much treble sometimes. I do think it's more to the Miva. So it's a little bit between these two. And it's pretty cool, like the sound dynamic is around $40–50. This speaker is also around that price. And the Miva is a lot expensive. But like with the Miva speakers, it's clearly meant for outdoor use and pretty cool design. And I have to admit, the Miva Tango has a very high quality of build. But yeah, audio side, it's not like the best speaker for its price. It's like twice the price of the Tozo or Sound Dynamic, that kind of scenario. So yeah, cool speaker. Treble EQ for me is the winner. It is a bit sad that it only has like one driver on this side, but at least the driver does perform pretty well for this kind of speaker. And it's pretty cool, you have like two possibilities to place the speaker as intended. So pretty cool. Hope you guys enjoy this video and see you guys in the next one.